And this one failed spectacularly in the same exact spot. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, or as always, if you're new here, welcome to the channel. Today I'm doing something to the truck that I think is pretty cool. If you have any of these old Silverados that are extended cabs, you know just how many of these break all the time. Mine snapped on this side and that side over there. So searching the internet, trying to find a better replacement for it, because I've already replaced these 2 or 3 times. I found these. I got these off Amazon. They're a little pricier than just the regular ones you get. I think this for the set was like 50 bucks, when you can get both the plastic ones for like 15. But you think about replacing it 4 or 5 times, you save your money. These are metal, you can't really hear it, but this whole thing here, this whole handle is completely metal, where this is that flimsy plastic. So I'm gonna be putting these on today and finally being able to open my back doors again without having to reach in here. So let's get to it. All right, I got you up on a tripod here. These two are going to be T30 star bits. So go ahead and all right, so as you can see with this one, it broke off of this piece here. You see right in there, that's where it snapped off. I think on the driver's side it snapped off right here, or maybe in the same place. But I'm gonna put on this new metal one, where if this one snaps off, I've got a lot bigger issues. So all the rest of this is plastic. The shell is plastic, but just this whole handle onto this, the parts that normally break, are what's metal. So pop this back in. All right, so that's on. Now, hopefully, there we go. And that's a lot easier. The last time with these ones over here, when I pull on it, you could just feel the plastic like flexing, and I knew they were gonna break eventually. But these, it's easy. And I guess I'll run and go put the driver's side on. All right, so here are the old ones. I got the new ones in the truck. They were great. Here's where this one failed, right in there. And this one failed spectacularly in the same exact spot, but almost completely came off. And like I said, when I replaced these, I think these, the ones that I just put in there, the new ones, are the like 4th set I put in here. And these ones, you would put them in brand new, or when you first get them, you can just feel the plastic stretching like as soon as you went to pull on it. And I'm sure most of you guys who have replaced these know what I'm talking about. So that's just a real quick video of like a must do if you have one of these extended cab trucks. I'll see how they hold up, but just I can already tell you they're way stronger. Even the mounts where they mount up to the door itself are just thicker. They don't flex as much as the ones that you replace them with normally. So I will leave a link in the description for those if you want to go to Amazon and buy them. Like I said, they're like 50 bucks. I think a little under. I think it was like 48 something after taxes and all that stuff. So not too bad, considering you'll probably never have to replace those again. Like I said, just a real quick video showing you guys that. Hopefully it helped you guys out. Go pick up those so you don't have to keep spending your money and replacing those. So that's going to be a wrap for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more stuff like this. I'm trying to do more. I've actually got another cool little mod coming, hopefully within the next week or so. I think it's real handy. It's nothing that you really need, but it's kind of cool. So keep an eye out for that. I'll definitely keep you guys posted on my Instagram. That being said, go follow my Instagram. I'll leave all that in the link below. I have a channel email now. If anybody needs to contact me for any reason, like, I don't know, sponsors or anybody. But yeah, I have that email if you need to contact me for any reasons. Comment down below if you have any questions, concerns about that, or anything about the truck. Bumper swap. Anybody who's followed me, watch the video real quick before I end this video. The bumper swap is almost done. See, I got the bumper in. You guys saw that video. If not, I'll leave a link to that. But I got the plug in. This is just a generic plug for the newer trucks. I think I just looked up like 2015 Silverado trailer plug. Pop that up, got it. Still got to get that. It's basically just a plug for the spare tire, so get that, and then all that'll be done and wrapped up. So with that being said, guys, that's it. I hope y'all have a great day, and I will see you next time.